Oh, I like this. Eh, hindi ba to Raptor? Ah,
Hindi naman nga lang po siya. So,
oh, ang ganda.
added accessory po siya.
Ah, okay, okay. It looks nice, man. Sosyal, naka. Ang ganda, no? Guys, dito kami sa Ford Santa Rosa. Ang ganda ng truck. Gaganda ng wild truck. Black. Guys, nandito na kami guys. Ang ganda.
I think it's outside, sir.
It's outside?
But, yes.
What color is it anyway?
We do have different variants of colors.
ganda.
We have
I want to see inside.
Guys,
Tell anybody. Oh,
ganda guys.
I want my wild track.
I want my wild truck now. Yan. Why you don't like this kind of, you know?
What?
You like the other one, the twin turbo or something? What the
The
difference?
twin turbo has more horsepower to it,
Okay.
and it's
But
a 4x4. This is only 4x2.
This is not automatic, I think.
It's automatic.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. Pang Mindanao. Ganda guys, oh, ganda. Ha? Ikaw sosyal. Tambay. Ang ganda yung Raptor, oh. May love Raptors there, oh.
Well, I have a driver's license, and I got to get one. I have to get my Philippine driver's license next week.
Car. Uy, kuya, gaganda, no? Kuya, videohan mo nga ako. Diyan sa blue. Dito.
Sakto.
Sakto sa akin. Guys, bagay sa akin. Kulay blue. Ha? Guys, ang ganda din, oh. Guys, ang ganda, guys. Oh. Bagay sa akin, blue. Kuya, oh, bumibili na ng car. Sosyal. Sosyal, kuya.
Pero may dalawa.
Sosyal. Guys.
Naman, nagkape.
Oo, kape. Hi, my love.
Hey.
Wow. Guys, nandito kami. The blue one. Where's the blue one? Ang ganda. I want to break free. My love. Kuya.
Wow.
someday, makabili ka ng ganyan pag naging pilot ka na.
Abot ko yan.
Hoy, may ano pa oh.
Okay. So right now I don't have anything to do
Ah,
with
okay.
this. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Kapag kita ako
Ah. Paghanap dito sa ano silang. Good. Meron pa kaming gift guys. Free. Free from Wild Truck. Ito gift pa.
What is it?
It's a red ribbon cake, okay? That means like, you know, it's supposed to be blue. Oh, may free pang course. 1.9. Yung red ribbon, 1.9.
Music.
So, ma'am and sir, this is Miki, our delivery specialist. Is going to explain to demonstrate the unit.
Oh, okay.
So, yan.
Ah, uy, grabe. Ang ganda. Ang ganda sa pasilyo, guys. Pasilyo. No pets allowed. Guys, ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda. Ganda. Sir, thank you so much.
Ma'am, the car cover.
Oo.
Added some items.
Ay, may tinatanong pala yan kung maka-order ba kayo nung parang mat ng may wild truck. Meron kayo
Yun
nun?
nga, ma'am, sabi ko, ma'am, wala na tayo. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, ma'am, wag na.
Ah, hindi, I mean for the ano, well, hindi talaga pwedeng orderin.
Ever, ma'am, inform kita.
Ah, sige, ha? Kasi gusto niya talaga.
Sige.
Sige. Okay.
Take this thing off.
Yeah.
I don't know, plastic.
Hindi namin alam. High-tech eh. Hmm. My love, be careful.
Huh? Here, put this thing on.
Wow, you're so pogi with your wild truck.
Huh?
You're so handsome with your wild truck.
Yeah. Let's stop and get some fuel
Guys, ang
too.
ganda. Is it not full yet?
No, it's not even close to full.
Okay. Naka-plastic pa guys. Ang ganda. Welcome home. Welcome home, Blue. Ganda. Ganda. Yeah. Hi, my love. Angat. Welcome home, Blue.